How to set up Poly Studio X72. The Poly Studio X72 comes with the Poly Studio X72 all-in-one video bar, a wall mount, 2 HDMI cables, Ethernet cable, AC adapter, power cables specific to your region, and, if bundled, a Poly TC10 touch controller. Additional mounting options are sold separately. To set up, start by following the instructions included with your mounting kit to mount your Poly Studio X72 all-in-one video bar. Read all instructions carefully, as some options may require you to use tools not included with the kit, such as a screwdriver. Then, plug one end of the HDMI cable to the HDMI port with the monitor icon labeled 1 on the Poly Studio X72 video bar. Plug the other end into the HDMI port on your display. If your room has 2 displays, connect the second HDMI cable to the HDMI port with the monitor icon labeled 2 on the video bar and plug the other end into the HDMI port on your second display. If you are using Zoom as your provider and have a compatible adapter, the Poly Studio X72 supports up to 3 displays. Then take that Ethernet network cable and connect one end to the RJ45 port on your Poly Studio X72. Connect the other end to an Ethernet port on your network. Finally, plug in the AC power cable to the AC power port and a power source. Your video bar will power on automatically. If you have purchased a Poly touch controller with your video bar, such as a Poly TC10, please now follow the instructions included on your touch controller to pair it to your Poly Studio X72. You may be asked to select your preferred video application at this time. Poly Studio X72 also allows you to connect a USB mouse or remote. To extend audio or video in your room, optional supported Poly cameras or Poly microphones can be connected at any time. You can remotely manage and monitor the Poly Studio X72 by adding it to Poly Lens. Now that setup is complete, enjoy your Poly Studio X72 video bar.